Hey guys, happy holidays! Today we have here 2 Christmas stockings full of surprises. One with Mickey Mouse and the other one with Minnie Mouse.
Oh, you look fabulous!
So let's check out the surprises.
Polka dots are always in season.
Shopkins blind bag. Shopkins shopping checklist. 1 Shopkins and 1 Shopkins shopping bag. This shopping bag is made of a soft rubber. And right here is our Shopkins. This is Guppies whipped cream. Let's go for another surprise. Whoa, we have here Mr. Grouper from Bubble Guppies. Let's see what we have inside. My Little Pony chocolate egg. Delicious chocolate. And let's see what's the surprise. We just got Applejack. And 1 My Little Pony flyer.
Everybody knows it's all about the bows.
And look at all the toys we can put inside Mr. Grouper.
Beauty and bows, the perfect combination.
Angry Birds chocolate egg.
Ready, set, bow!
We have here pieces to build 1 catapult. And here's the flyer. And this is the catapult already built. Donald Duck chocolate egg.
Everybody knows it's all about the bows. The color of yellow reminds me of the sun. The color of the day is blue. Oh, you look wonderful.
Sophia the first chocolate egg. Right here we have Robin. And one little flyer. Robin is one of Sophia's animal friends. Disney Princess chocolate egg.
The color pink reminds me of a pretty flower.
We have here Aurora. And one Disney Princess flyer. Furby Boom. Right here we have one flyer. And a toy. It's a cupcake. We have a little bunny in a cupcake. It's kind of tough to get this one out. Let's see what we have here. Disney Fairies Kinder Egg. Little flower. And one flyer. We just got Pocoyo. Let's see what else. Barbie Kinder Surprise.
You look wonderful.
Whoa, we just got Barbie in a red dress. She comes with a little stand. This red dress looks beautiful on Barbie. Well, she looks good with anything. We also got one flyer.
We're all dressed up with a bow to go.
We have here Hello Kitty chocolate egg. Milk chocolate and white chocolate. How adorable! We just got a little Hello Kitty bracelet. And one flyer. And now we have one last surprise.
Everybody knows it's all about the bow.
Peppa Pig Play Buddies. These are the parts to make your very own Gabriela. One little flyer. And here is the clay.
Strike a pose.
Say goodbye, Mr. Grouper. Goodbye, kids. Goodbye, Gilly. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, Molly. Goodbye. And goodbye, Bubble Puppy. Woo, woo. Now this is goodbye. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more egg surprises right here on Disney Collector.